Live from Indianapolis, presented in high definition, this is Fox 59 Morning News.
You're going to love this here. Get your sombrero out. Cinco de Mayo is tomorrow, and we're going to help you celebrate with some delicious dishes and some tequila. Chef Ricardo Martinez is with Adobo Grill, and Jose Hermosillo owns Casa Noble Tequila. Thanks so much for coming in and getting ready on Cuatro de Mayo, talking about the big day tomorrow. First of all, let's talk about this tequila. Where is this tequila from?
Well, Casa Noble, we make it in Tequila, Jalisco.
Yeah, but where is it from?
Where's
tequila from Tequila?
Yeah, tequila from the Tequila, the city of Tequila in Jalisco.
Well, that makes perfect sense.
Just like champagne and cognac, we have a denomination of origin. Yes.
And how do you differentiate? We're looking at the different bottles here. How are each of these different from one another?
Well, this is our Blanco, which means it's not aged. We call it Cristal. And this is our Reposado. Reposado, which means it's aged. And we age in French white oak barrels, which is very special. And this is our Añejo. And Añejo is minimum 1 year. We age it for 2 years in French white oak barrels.
Wow, and I'm not even going to ask what the proof is, because I imagine it's pretty high up there right now. And now, Chef, talk to me a little bit about some of the delicious looking dishes you have prepared here to kind of go with these drinks. And these are tequila drinks.
Correct. First, we have over here the grilled steak huarache.
Steak huarache?
Correct. And with some green salsa, shredded lettuce, and garnished with some pico de gallo. Then
this is a very popular dish at Adobo Grill.
Correct. This is like great for appetizer. Then we have over here the grilled pork tenderloin with some mole negro, garlic sauteed spinach, and fresh corn tamal.
Looks good.
And then
for dessert, oh no, that's not a dessert, is it?
No.
It looked like a dessert on the outside, but then I looked at the stem here and said, oh no, that's not something sweet.
This is a fire roasted poblano with some favorite lamb, ground pork and veal, and with some walnut sauce on the top, and some, for garnish, some pomegranate seeds. And this is great for celebrate Cinco de Mayo.
Well, the presentation is awesome here.
Yeah.
Let's talk about these drinks here, because these are not margaritas, but they look delicious.
They are delicious, and our friends at Adobo made them, obviously, with Casa Noble. And this one, actually, we're pairing it with the huarache because of the spiciness. It has a little citrus in there, so it goes really nice with the huarache. And the chile en nogada goes really good. It's very rich.
I just love the way you say it.
So it goes really nice with this drink. This has, I think, blueberries or blackberries. It's very rich drink. And finally, the mole here has a lot of chocolate flavors, which goes really nice with the vanilla chocolate in our Casa Noble Añejo.
So you can enjoy this all tomorrow at Adobo Grill on Cinco de Mayo, or really any day of the week. I don't want to get the FCC breathing down my neck. Otherwise, I would take a sip of that. It looks good and smells good. All right, gentlemen, thank you very much for being here with us.
Thank you.
Have a great day and enjoy tomorrow. Buena suerte.
Gracias.
All right, if you'd like some recipes here, we have them for you at our website, fox59.com. Just click on the morning show page. Lauren, tomorrow is the big day. Are you ready for it?
I am certainly ready for it.